right, welcome. Let's take a look at the course itself. All right, so in English 1, this just gives you a little introduction, introduces you to some famous English majors, including Stephen King, Jodie Foster, Emma Thompson. The essays that we're going to cover in this class are a narrative descriptive. That's going to be our first one. Essentially just tell us a good story. The next essay, essay 2, is going to be an argumentation, a classic college argument essay with a counter argument. Got to use lots of evidence, lots of analysis, lots of support, just like any normal essay. Essay 3 is a visual text analysis where you get to analyze a movie, ad, photograph, piece of art, any type of visual text. There are lots of those. Those are just examples. And you get to choose it, of course. And then our last major essay before the research paper is the rhetorical analysis, where we essentially do some similar type of analysis as we do in the visual text, but we focus it on an actual text, this being like a poem, a speech, short story, for example. In this case, we're going to skip the satire essay. I'm not sure how well it's going to translate to a summer course. And we will replace it. We'll have a photo essay in there that we're doing. And then the class culminates with a research paper where we use everything that you've learned. We use and learn more about research and synthesis and writing proposal letters. And we eventually walk our way up to the top of the staircase and finish the course. And once you're at that point, you're pretty much done. The research paper is a big deal. The essays, the final, the free writes are, I think 10%. There are no DLAs in this course, so you don't have to worry about those. But that is essentially the course. So if you can do those things, you're going to be very successful in this course. Thank you.